Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert copyright symbol in Affinity Publisher without keyboard. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert copyright symbol. At first, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section, select the frame text tool and draw a text frame to this page. Then go to the text option and select the insert option. Then go to symbol. Now we can see here many symbols. Now we want to insert the copyright symbol, select the copyright. Then click outside of the text box and select the move tool. Now we can see we insert a copyright symbol to this Affinity Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.